Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Fez here, and today I'm bringing you a budget gaming PC build for the month of April, May, and it's a total of $600, and $620 with shipping and handling already, and 30% mail rebates. So, for our parts, we have for our CPU, we have our AMD FX 8320 8 core. That's all you need for AAA titles nowadays. And our clock speed is 3.5 gigahertz, and if we overclock it, it can go to 4 gigahertz. But we won't need to overclock that all. Okay, let's get started. Well, that's for the CPU, and it's worth around $134. And yeah, for our CPU cooler, we got our Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo, the one everybody uses, and it's for $20 on Amazon. For our motherboard, we got our MSI 7G MA and Micro ATX AMD. It's a micro motherboard, so it could fit in our case perfectly, no problems at all. For our memory, I decided to go a little bit expensive. If you find this expensive for memory, I went for a Corsair Vengeance 8 GB, 2 sticks, DDR3. That's all you need right now. You can also upgrade to 16 gigs if you would like to later on in the future. For our storage, I decided to go with a Seagate Barracuda 2 terabytes internal hard drive, and that costs about $60. I know a lot of people will actually just choose 1 terabyte, but if you really want to get a good game list, you could use 2 terabytes. For our I chose an external hard drive, an SSD drive, and it's a Patriot 120 gigabytes. So yeah. For our graphics card, I went for an EVGA GeForce GTX 960. And this is factory super clocked video card, and this thing goes around for $180 on Amazon. For our case, I went for the NZXT S340 black. It's a mid-tower case, but it does the job for us since we got a micro motherboard, so it does the job. For our power supply, I went for an EVGA 500 watts, because that's all you're gonna need to power this baby up. Certified 80+ certified power supply, and for a total around this would cost around $620 depending on where you live. But yeah, this will all be a build. And now, guys, let me show you the benchmarks.